Alright guys, what's up? Not much. Yeah, it's been a long time since I made a video. I know I've been slacking, just life, realize, new place, new cars, just a lot working on these things, but no excuse. But I guess first off, I want to say I was checking YouTube. I got 5,000 subscribers, so thanks a lot, guys, for all that. I really wasn't even paying attention to it. It was probably like a while ago. But yeah, thanks a lot. I know a lot of you guys are subscribed, checking out the channel. The channel's getting bigger. We got new cars, new builds. I'm just building it. That's what I love to do. So if you guys want to go along for it, put in some input, some things I don't know, I'm all ears to help. So I guess whip updates. RSX still running fine, no issues. Never had any issues. Probably won't have any issues, but stays clean, sits in the garage. That's about it. EP, first time the cars have met, got a new place. But yeah, EP, no issues, same thing, still running strong, boost, pulling, ripping. So if you guys want to see some more videos on this stuff, just let me know, comments, hey guys, I want to see some more RSX EP videos. But big question on the table, MR2 video. I posted a video like, I don't know, forever ago, probably when I picked up the MR2 and I was like, hey guys, what do you guys want to see with the MR2? I'm be honest with you, I really didn't know what I was gonna do with it. I just got it for a steal, so I was just like, let's just pick it up, So I looked at all the comments, you guys suggested, a lot of comments suggested the V6 swap or the stock swap, like I guess the stock motor in it, and like the turbo that, and then K swap, I saw that also. I'll be honest with you guys, I looked into all three because I really wasn't sure what to do with the car or what you could get out of these. I just knew people were swapping them or building them, and they were pretty quick. It's a fun car to drive, and I really enjoy driving the MR2. So, I have nothing negative to say about it. It's reliable. It's fun little whippy car, mid-engine. The engine sits behind you. It sounds great too with the engine sitting behind you. But I guess as far as like the swap with the MR2, I was kind of thinking a couple things. There's a couple things in the air right here. I looked into the V6 swap. It is a good swap. It's torquey. You got the V6. I was looking at the V6 to K swap, K transmission. If you guys do that, they use the J series with the K series transmission and then mount that together and then mount it in the MR2. I was looking at that. It's not bad. If you're looking for like that 300 to 400 horsepower range, that's also something pretty good. But then a lot of guys suggested like a V6 turbo. And I looked into the V6 turbo. It's a lot of plumbing more than I might want to do. Because just the engine bay is not that big, and then putting the V6 in there and then like twin turbos or even like a single turbo, it's a lot of manifold running and a lot of like piping to get that to work. I guess, yeah, using the stock block and I guess using the stock motor and turbo in that, a lot of guys do builds on that, and I've seen some pretty impressive builds, like, honestly 600 plus horsepower, 600, 700 horsepower. So I thought about doing that also. That's also, we could use the stock MR2 motor and, push that up to about, I've seen guys do like 600 or 700. Really haven't seen like anything higher than that, to be honest with you. Then lastly, the K swap. That was another thing. The K swap is easy. I got a couple Ks already. But I guess as far as the K swap, I really want to see, what did you guys want to see with the K? If we did do a turbo K, let's say this, it's got to be turbo because NAK is just not fast enough. But if we did do the turbo K, what are you guys really looking for power-wise, I would say, because I'm be honest with you, I'm open to the ceiling. You know, I told you guys with the MR2, it's not going to be a shortcut build. You know, the Civic, that's a shortcut build. That was a couple grand, throw the turbo on it, stock motor, just spin it up to see what it does. You know, this car, I got good money in this car. I don't really have anything in the EP. So I guess the MR2, I kind of want to do it right way, but at the same time, we know this channel has been built. I mean, honestly, the 5,000 subscribers came from the A3 life, you know? So I thought about sticking an A3 in the MR2 and just kind of seeing what I would do, but then a lot of people said don't do it. A lot of people are like, just stick K20 in it. You know, I know the channel's A3 base life, but at the same time, you can make more power with you know, just like a Type S swap. So I don't know how you guys feel about that, moving away from the base life and cutting into the Type S world, putting Type S swap in the MR2 and building that up and boosting it. I guess another thing though is I looked at the money, like money-wise, to break down to build a turbo, you know, a turbo K swap. And realistically, I really want to see what type of numbers you guys are looking to make out of this thing, because that's kind of where we're at now. Because I kind of knocked out the V6 swap because I can't really afford it. I mean, and two, the space is not really feasible to do a V6 turbo swap. And the stock motor, I could do that, but a stock, if I'm gonna spend the money to sleeve a block and do the whole turbo kit, you know, the whole injectors and all that stuff, I might as well go K. Because if I'm sleeving a block to make 600 horsepower, that's a lot of money for, I mean, that's a lot of horsepower, but at the same time, 600 for a sleeve block, a K will do that all day. So at the same time, if I sleeve a block, did you guys want to see a sleeve K? Because at the end of the day, straight up, a sleeve K series will see, you know, close to 1,000. So that was kind of the question on the table. Did you guys want to see 1,000 horsepower MR2, or did you guys want to see something a little less than that? Or should we, you know, ditch one of the other projects to kind of get up to 1,000? Because I'm gonna be honest with you, it costs a lot of money to get to 1,000. So I kind of wanted to put this on the table. Should we keep all the cars on the channel, the RSX, the EP, the MR2, the bikes, all that stuff? But realistically, I probably can't make 1,000 with the MR2. I'm probably looking in that 700-800 horsepower range, you know, realistically, and that's keeping all cars. So if you guys want to keep the channel going with all the cars, you know, let's shoot for like 750. Let's just say that 750 in the MR2, or should we, another option, that's okay. Option one, shoot for 750 in the MR2 with the Turbo K. Option two, ditch the EP, post the EP for sale, get rid of it, use that money, go for 1,000. But at that point, the EP wouldn't be on the channel anymore. So if that's something you guys wanted to see too, that's kind of where I'm at. So leave in the comments, you know, what you want to see. The RSX is not going anywhere. I promise you that will never go anywhere. This is my kid right here. But I guess as far as the MR2, what you guys wanted to see, you know, because I'm going to start building that probably, I mean, everything's all ready to go. It's just basically, what are we buying and what are we doing? Because it's been a while. I know it's been a while since I made a video, and I got to get back into the cars. I've been working on everybody else's car, you know. I mean, like, to be honest with you, I swapped like 3 of these within like the last week. I'm tired of working on everybody else's car. I want to get back on the YouTube channel because you guys have been like commenting me like, hey, when are you guys posting another video? I'm working on it. So here's your video. But yeah, so more videos to come. Let me know what we want to do with the MR2. Do we keep the Civic? This is not going anywhere. How much power should we shoot for with the MR2? But yeah, guys, that's it. I mean, if we keep the MR2 though, I guess if we keep everything, if we keep the Civic, I'm out of space. So we might have to put a lift in here. I got plenty of garage height up here. So we might do a lift in here if you guys want to see some lift install. But yeah, so if that's what you guys are looking for, leave a comment below. Don't want to keep the video too long, but all right, guys, later. And 2, thanks again for the 5,000 subscribers. All right, later.